Today I'll show you guys a cap trick and a card trick. Watch the red cap as I place it in my hand and it changes into a blue cap. There's nothing in my hands at all. The blue cap is in my hand. You can see the blue cap right there, and all I gotta do is wave and it changes into a red cap, then boom, and it changes right back into the blue cap. I'll take the blue cap and push it in like that, and it changes into the red cap again. You can see the red cap. It changes into the blue cap, and the reason why it does that is because if I just take the empty hand, you can see the blue cap, but if I just take this empty hand and rub this, the two cards or the two caps, you can see the red cap and the blue cap, they both separate from each other. It's one now. 3, 2, 1. You saw the moment. 3, 2, 1. You saw the moment where all of them disappeared. Now that's magic, but this is the real magic. I shuffle the cards like this, give the cards some shuffles and cuts like that. Make sure all these cards are different. Perfect. I'll cut the cards like this, make sure that all these cards, they're all different, and I'll cut the cards very fairly. And I'll even shuffle the cards like this, just so that the cards can be rearranged just like that. So all I gotta do is shuffle the cards like this, and push it in like that. And finally, I cut the cards in such a way that I can now do my trick. All I gotta do is wave. Now the cards are shuffled like this, right? Watch. If I do this correctly, I can produce the 4 aces. Now I'll do one cut, and there it is, the ace of spades. That's the card, the ace of spades. Second card is the ace of hearts, which is that's the ace of hearts. Third card would be the ace of diamonds, so all I gotta do is take from the bottom, that's the ace of diamonds. And lastly, we're gonna take our random card from the bottom. Let's say this card right here, the 2 of diamonds. The 2 of diamonds, that's not the ace of clubs, but if I just fling my head like that, that's how the ace of clubs reappears. Now we have all the 4 aces, and now let's do the fun part. Let's cut the cards just like that, and we're gonna do one big cut. I do it again. One big cut. That's a scissor cut. So you can see all these cards, they have nothing in common at all. Now watch. If I just wave, something will happen. You can see these 4 aces. What I will do is I'll do something with these 4 aces. You can see these 4 aces. Just check the 4 aces. Make sure they're all different. Now I'm going to look through the cards and I'm going to try and read your mind, right? I'm going to try and read your mind. We'll also do one of the biggest sleight of hand tricks of all time. Here comes the move. So, I want you to think of one of these cards. Think of one. Got it? And all I gotta do is take this card right here. Was it the Ace of Hearts? Was that a card? Oh, sorry, because all of the cards were the Ace of Hearts, except for the Ace of Spades, though. We have the Ace of Hearts and the Ace of Spades. So, that's kind of a bummer. But don't worry, because the Ace of Hearts can become the Ace of Spades, and the Ace of Hearts will be the second card. And these other 4th card, that's actually the Ace of Diamonds, and that's also the Ace of Diamonds. Isn't that perfect? The 3rd card, that's the Ace of Diamonds number 3. And if I just take the bottom card, that's the Ace of Spades, all I gotta do is, and that's the Ace of Diamonds. Now, it's time for the big part. Ace of Diamonds, Ace of Spades, Ace of Hearts, and Ace of Clubs. All you gotta do is rearrange them in a certain way, and you are going to be the one that's rearranging. So, which card do you want? I want you to pick 2 of these cards, okay? This one? Perfect. I'll leave them to the side. Just these 2 cards left. Which one do you want? You want this one or this one? You want this one? Okay. The Ace of Hearts. This will be the first card of your list. I'll shuffle the cards like that. The aces are now shuffled. You have no idea which aces are in which. The second card will be you're saying the middle card, for example. The Ace of Diamonds. Perfect. The Ace of Diamonds will be the second card from the pack. And this first, second thing is kind of weird, but I'll show you guys in a minute. That means the ace of clubs will be the third, and the ace of spades will be the fourth. The ace of spades will be last for a reason, because the ace of spades is the powerful card. So it kind of has to rest for a bit. So watch. You see me cut the cards, you see me shuffle the cards. I'll even cut it one more time. All I gotta do is do this magic movement. Take the 4 aces and flick it like that. Is that professional for you? Watch this, because we have the ace of hearts. We also have the king of hearts, the queen of hearts, the jack of hearts, the 10 of hearts, making it a royal flush of hearts. That's not all though, because we have the ace of diamonds. So we have the king of diamonds. We have the royal flush of diamonds right here. The royal flush of diamonds. What's that? You thinking there's another pile? No. All I gotta do is say stop. Stop right there. Perfect. That's because if you take the ace of clubs and can just produce the royal flush of clubs, that's just magic, isn't it? Finally, the ace of spades. This is the big boy. This is the big man. Ace of spades, that means we have the royal flush of spades. But remember when I said that the ace of spades was the most powerful card? Yeah, I mean it. Because not only do we produce the royal flush of cards with this, which is the 10 of spades, jack of spades, queen of spades, and king of spades. If I just wave my hand like that, we have the 2 of spades, 3 of spades, 4 of spades, 5 of spades, 6 of spades, 7 of spades, 8 of spades, and 9 of spades, making it all of the spades family. And all these cards, we don't need them because we have all of these produced out of thin air. Good night.